welcome to my channel Simply Pallavi. Thank you so very much for watching me and appreciating me and giving your time to me, because this is really motivating for me all the time, and I really need your support, your time, your subscription also to my videos. And in return, of course, I try my best to provide some of the information, some of the life tools to help you fight with the common struggles, the daily struggles we have in our lives, and to realize the importance of the gift which we have, that's called life. So I hope I'm doing my bit, and I hope I'm able to provide a little sunshine to you. And on this note, today's topic is the extension of the previous two topics which I have covered in the videos. It's about the mental blocks, and today I want you to ponder over or to think over this mental block, which is what if I do this, but if I don't get the success? Or to be more specific, what if I complete this course but do not get the success? What if I take the first step but I fail? What if I go and propose to the girl but she refuses? What if whenever it comes, it actually is a sign that it is restricting your creativity, your energy from within? It is a sign of a full stop. It's not a question, it's a full stop on your mind for the new thinking, for the innovations, for the creativity, for the positivity also. So that is very important to realize that, okay, we can take this in another way, that it's good to have a plan B. It's good to think little more than the current situations. It's good to explore the different options, but it's very important that you overthink about it, then you are going towards the negative directions. What if at a one go or two times, I guess it's still okay to consider or reconsider before making a decision. But if you divert or focus all your energies on what if this happens or this doesn't happen, then it's definitely not draining your energy, pulling you down, restricting you to do what actually your soul, your heart wants you to do. So that's another big mental block which we often ignore, keeping in mind that it's our critical thinking, but it is not, it is our mental block. So think over it, guys. What if generally we think like that it is assessing, it is no an ability for us to assess the situation? Yes, it is. But overthinking leads to a restriction, leads you to somewhere where there is a dead end, where you have no other options but to feel pity on yourself, but to feel worthless, but to feel helpless. So try making a balance in it if you think that way. If you overthink, then of course you have to lower your thinking process, divert your energy to something good, something more creative, something positive actually, which doesn't let you think that if, what if this happens or this doesn't happen. So that's it, guys. This is the mental block of today. What if? And just check with yourself if you are more of a what if person or not. So by far we have covered three mental blocks. First is why and how, the differentiation. Second is I know, which is very big mental block, I know but. And here is the third one, what if dash 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 but dash dash dash. So think over it, and do let me know in the comment section how did like what the best you like about this today, and did it resonate with you somewhere or to an extent. And till then, take care, stay safe, stay indoors, and stay happy. I always say, and I keep on saying, because happiness only and only comes from within. You cannot find it from outside. And whenever you feel sad, distress, I guess just spend some more time with yourself only. You will be at least better for that moment. Till then, take care. See you very soon again. Bye bye.